have 36 square meters big booth. So follow with me. Let me take you around to see all the samples. Number one, that is the perfume section. You can see this is a 300 liter the perfume mixing, chilling, filtering, 3-in-1 automatic making machine. Follow with me so that you can see more details. First of all, this is the Siemens PLC HMI control, the fully automatic panel. And the second update, that is replacing by the traditionally manual valve that every time you need to turn off the valves. This time we are using the pneumatic valves, and all the valves is controlled by the air pipeline inserted inside of our machine and programmed where in our Siemens HMI. The entire machine we're using the matte processing, not the traditional mirror processing, which is very easy cleaning and easy maintenance during every day's running. And come inside to see our perfume chiller inside. The chilling pipeline, the cone pipeline. We're not using the traditional stainless steel pipeline, but by the PI materials pipelines. So not like traditional stainless steel. First of all, our PI material, the material cost will be higher, but it has very good advantage. That is the first one. The chilling effect is much triple effect. Second time, that is also very easy to improving your working efficiency on the perfume machine. So this is the first section. Follow with me. Second section is our fully automatic perfume filling and gripping and coloring 3-in-1 universal making machine. So people standing here, you can manually put the perfume bottoms inside the universal adjustable molds. So every time by losing this part, you can see, by losing this part, so come see inside. So you can see the valves, the mold, that is very universal adjustable. So you can see. So no matter your bottom is smaller or bigger, by these valves, you can directly adjusting the poke molds without changing or without pay extra money to customize the unit control. And the second thing, for 2 nozzles vacuum filling machine, 2 nozzles air cleaning, and 2 nozzles level equal vacuum filling machine, and automatically loading the spray pumps, and automatic crimping, automatic loading the press color, and automatic pressing the coloring function. You can see inside, and then finally come here by the rubber tent. You can catch the finished perfume outside on the conveyor. So this is a very universal machine. And the third part, follow with me. That is our 300 liter perfume, a 300 liter high level skincare cream, mixing, heating, homogenizing baking machines. So this time we are using the top durable bi-directional mixing pan. You can see the material will be mixing in the clockwise and anti-clockwise, which is more efficient mixing. At the same time, let's see the bottom inside. We're taking the double meter water cooling mechanical seal. Comparing with the traditional material cooling mechanical seal, the double meter mechanical seal, which is more high durable using, long lasting bearing the homogenizing effect time. And the discharge valve, we are using the bottom one, which is completely discharge the materials. Hi. And all the control panel, we are using the Siemens HMI control system. Yeah. And this is our electric use or lab use, or you can regard it as the raw material processing, like the AES granulators, the pieces solid, or like the raw materials. You can all put inside by the cutting, by the mixing, by the processing effect to processing your raw materials. And this is our automatic tube, 6 BPM. Each minute it can fill in 6 pieces of the tubes inside. So you can see inside. You can directly unloading once at a time all 4 boxes of your empty tubes inside, and it will be loading into the poke molds one by one. Poke molds one by one. And then by filling by the copper heating, inner heating way, and by sealing, by cutting, and then come out to the materials. And our tube machine has 2 control panels, button control panel for the drop mode, and Siemens HMI control for the full automatic control system. You can see the inside. This is the parts for you to adjust the filling volume. Okay, go follow with me. Let's go to see the filling parts, automatic filling parts. So we prepare various kinds of the different buttons for you. So you can see inside we have so many different kinds of the perfume here, the buttons here. So this is the liquid and cream double used universal filling machine. It's like the traditional filling nozzle bottoms come in and be blocked, and then filling nozzles to filling inside and lifting, and then release and bottom go. Not like traditional making the bottom stopping. Our this time the new model for nozzles, for filling nozzles is keeping. For nozzles on the conveyor, it's keeping go ahead with the bottom, and then go back for second bottom. So the bottoms on the conveyor is keeping running. Is keeping running inside. So in this way, the production line never stops. The bottoms keeping running inside means as the owner of the factory, boss, your profit, your money is keeping coming. Okay, so warmly welcome, and we really expecting to meet you in our booth in the Cosmopack, the Asian. Thank you.